Hey everybody, it's Mary. Welcome back to the kitchen. What do you do with leftovers? Do you reheat them exactly the way they were? Or do you like to transform them? Today we're going to transform a leftover. Sometimes folks, whenever you find something you really like, you have planned leftovers. And that's what I've done. Okay. Yesterday I cooked spaghetti and I cooked a little extra because I'm going to fry it today. I'm going to spray my pan and I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of butter to start with. Now folks, you can use olive oil, you can use butter, you can use a mixture, but today I'm just doing about 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, I've got, like I say, leftover spaghetti just in a clump in here. Okay, I'm going to cut it up into smaller pieces. And folks, I'm going to throw it in that butter. And once it starts getting warm and rehydrating and all that good stuff that leftover spaghetti does, I'm going to put some cheese in there. You can use whatever kind of cheese you like. I have a mixture of cheddar and mozzarella. That's what I'm going to be using today. But I've got that on a pretty high heat, probably about a 7. Okay, and I'm just going to throw this in here. Let it absorb that butter. And let it reheat. Okay. I have actually added a couple more tablespoons of butter to this, folks. And I'm just chopping it up. It's going to be in pretty small pieces where it was clumped up in the bowl. As you can see, it's starting to brown a little bit. And it's starting to get pretty warm in there. I'm going to let it go for 3 or 4 more minutes. Probably add just a little bit more butter, about 1 more tablespoon. So that's going to be about 5 tablespoons of butter. And then I'm going to add my cheese. Okay, folks, you can see that this is starting to get lightly brown. So at this point, I'm going to add my cheese. I have about 1.5 cups of cheese. I have cheddar and mozzarella. Use whatever kind of cheese you like. Just sprinkle it in there, mix it all up, and then once it starts to melt, then we're just going to fold it over like that right there until it's all melted. Okay, folks, the cheese has melted. Now, this part right here is up to you. You can take it as far as you want it, okay? You can cook it until it starts to get a good brown crust on the cheese, or you can just eat it like this. This is what I'm going to do, okay? It's really good like this. Folks, this isn't the prettiest dish in the world, but let me tell you, it's definitely one of the family favorites for leftover spaghetti, okay? You can have it just like that right there, or something that I like to do with mine, get a little bit of crushed red pepper, sprinkle a little bit of crushed red pepper on there, and some banana peppers, guys. I don't know, there's just something about the banana peppers that just sets this dish totally off. Now, you can cook the banana peppers in there with this, and that's my preferred method, but not everybody in my family likes banana peppers or the crushed red peppers, so I usually have to put them on afterwards. But folks, like I say, this isn't the prettiest dish in the world, but it definitely is something really good to do with leftover spaghetti. Give it a try. I just about bet you'll like it. But thanks for watching. And guys, we'll see you all in the next video.